Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can transfer USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet. In order to transfer USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet, you have to follow the steps. First of all, let's go ahead and copy the wallet address. So for that, you need to go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet application. And next thing, what you have to do is, when you're logged in, you need to go ahead and select Receive. When you press that, select the network or the asset that you wish to receive. Let's go with Ethereum. Now copy the wallet address. When you're done copying the wallet address, exit out of your Trust Wallet account. Go ahead and log in into your Bybit account. When you're logged into your Bybit account, then while you're on this page, you need to go to the asset section and over here press the withdraw button. When you actually do that, go ahead and paste in the wallet address that you've recently copied and enter the exact amount that you wish to transfer, and with that you'll have successfully transferred USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.